住宿旅游相关单字进阶篇。前台接待员
Front desk clerk. Front desk clerk.
门房服务员
Concierge. 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 Concierge.
行李服务员
Bellboy Bellman. Bellboy Bellman.
客房清理员
Housekeeping staff. Housekeeping staff.
餐厅服务员
Waiter. Waitress. Waiter. Waitress.
酒保
Bartender. Bartender.
厨师
Chef. Chef.
客房服务员
Room service attendant. Room service attendant.
维护工作人员
Maintenance staff. Maintenance staff.
安全人员
Security personnel. Security personnel.
运营经理
General manager. General manager.
门房
Doorman. Doorman.
服务台
Concierge. The concierge at the hotel can provide you with information about local attractions and assist with reservations.
行李服务台
Bell desk. At the bell desk, you can request assistance with luggage, transportation, or local recommendations.
行李员
Bellboy. The bellboy swiftly carried our luggage to the room upon our arrival at the hotel.
门房
Doorman. The doorman warmly greets guests entering the hotel.
搬运工
Porter. The porter assisted guests with their bags as they arrived at the hotel's entrance.
行李员
Bellhop. The bellhop cheerfully greeted guests and helped them with their luggage.
客房清洁服务
Maid service. Maid service is available daily to ensure your room is clean and comfortable during your stay.
维修
Maintenance. Maintenance is scheduled to fix the air conditioning in the room tomorrow morning.
紧急情况
Emergency. In case of an emergency, please follow the evacuation plan displayed on the back of your room door.
紧急出口
Fire exit. Always be aware of the location of the fire exit when staying in a hotel.
火警
Fire alarm. If you hear the fire alarm, please leave the building immediately and assemble at the designated meeting point.
撤离计划
Evacuation plan. Familiarize yourself with the hotel's evacuation plan, especially the location of emergency exits.
住宿
Accommodations. The hotel offers various accommodations, from standard rooms to luxurious suites.
欧陆式早餐
Continental breakfast. Guests can enjoy a delicious continental breakfast with freshly baked pastries and a variety of fruits.
相连房间
Connecting rooms. Families or groups traveling together may prefer connecting rooms for added convenience.
相连门
Adjoining door. The adjoining door between the two rooms allows easy access for families or friends staying together.
自动贩卖机
Vending machine. I grabbed a quick snack from the hotel lobby vending machine.
冰机
Ice machine for your drinks. There's an ice machine on each floor.
便利设施
Amenities. The hotel offers a range of amenities, including a gym, pool, and spa.
按摩浴缸
Jacuzzi. Relax in the jacuzzi after a long day of meetings.
商务套房
Business suite. The business suite is equipped with a workspace for business travelers.
会议室
Conference room. Well-equipped conference rooms are available for events.
商务中心
Business center. The business center provides computers, printers, and meeting spaces.
特色
Features. The hotel features modern architecture and stunning city views.
钥匙寄存
Key drop. Leave your key at the front desk using the key drop box.
免费盥洗用品
Complimentary toiletries. Rooms come with complimentary toiletries, including shampoo and soap.
小厨房
Kitchenette. The suite includes a kitchenette with a microwave and refrigerator.
残障友好房间
Disability-friendly room. The hotel offers disability-friendly rooms with wider doorways and grab bars.
轮椅通道
Wheelchair access. All public areas have wheelchair access for guests with mobility needs.
婴儿床
Child's cot. A child's cot can be provided for families with infants.
餐具
Cutlery. The kitchenette is equipped with cutlery, plates, and glasses.
马桶阻塞
Toilet clogged. If you find the toilet clogged, inform the front desk for prompt assistance.
If you enjoy this content, please consider subscribing to my channel to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.